Hey friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm popping in to share with you a new traveler's notebook layout today. I am using some paper from a paper issue scrapbooking kit that I got in the past, like last year I think. I don't know what collection it came from, but it's so pretty. And then the green journaling card that I layered over top of it came from a Close to My Heart collection. It is retired as well, but I thought it would be perfect to put my journaling on. So it is going to be layered over top of that blue pattern paper. The photo is going to be layered over top of it. Rather than having the photo at the bottom or towards the bottom of the page, I'm actually going to move it up and put it closer to the top of the page. The journaling, which I'm going to print, you can see it right there. I printed it with my, typed it on my computer and then printed it using the printer. I forget where I was going with that now, but anyways, I printed it and it is going to be layered over top of this blue paper. So like I said, it is at the bottom of the journaling card rather than the top, and the photo is going to live right about there. I'm toying with this little piece of scrap paper that I trimmed off to make this fit within my 4x8 canvas. I actually do end up using it towards the end of the video. It's going to create a little border down at the very, very bottom of the page. This little bit of paper right here that I tore off is going to act as washi tape and in a way kind of become an embellishment at the end. There's going to be some stickers and a phrase sticker layered over top of that to finish off the page. In the meantime, I am using an old Echo Park sticker sheet that I have had in my stash for quite a while. I'm going to create the title So Good using the alphas off of that sticker sheet. These larger alphas are like a dark brown, so they fit really well with the color scheme. It's hard to read against the paper on screen, but in real life, it is not hard at all to read. So I'm using the alphas to create the word good, and then I'm using the little square tiles to make the word so. And the title actually completes my journaling. The last few words of my journaling does not have a period at the end, so it's not a complete thought, but the title completes the thought that I was talking about in my journaling, if that makes sense. Maybe you'll get to see it at the end of the video in the close-ups. I hope I explained that well enough though. So here I am just working on trying to embellish the top of the page. I had thought about using some of this sticker border from another Echo Park sticker sheet that I had in my stash. I decided against it and do actually use this little bit of paper that I tore off previously in this video. I'm just using my ATG to adhere it to the top of the photo, and then some stickers are going to be thrown over top of that. But before I do that, I'm adding this little itty bitty border at the bottom of the page, pulling in some more of the B side of that paper. The B side of the blue paper that's in the background, just to provide some contrast. I really like the way that that looks together. Now I'm working on adding the date. I was going to attempt stamping it upside down, but I was afraid I was going to mess that up. So I turned it right way around and stamped it the way that I should anyways, and avoided catastrophe that way. Here come a few other stickers. And with that, this page is complete. I hope I've inspired you to create something different, to try something new. Creating traveler's notebooks for me is something totally new, and I'm really enjoying the challenge, and actually have been avoiding 12x12 scrapbooking lately just because this is so quick and simple and a lot of fun to do. I do have close-ups coming up, so stick around for that. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you're new to my channel, I'm so glad that you're here. Please stick around. I'll be back again soon with more creative inspiration. Bye, friends.